there, welcome back to Edtech Simplified. If you're new here, my name is Esther and I'm here to simplify your teaching and learning processes for you. After my video on the top certification for teachers, I've been getting a lot of questions on the Google certification course in particular. If you haven't seen that video, click on the card at the top of the screen and you'll be able to watch the video. So about the course, I've been getting questions like, what level am I supposed to take? How am I supposed to go about it? Where would I see the course? I don't know where to find the course. I don't even know this or that. Calm down, alright? Your questions will be answered in this video. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of where you can find the courses that you need to take to actually register for the exam and which course is right for you. Where should you start? I'm going to jump on my laptop now, give you the walkthrough, and let's get right at it. Ta-da! Welcome to my laptop, and the first thing I'm going to do is a Google search of Google for education, not educators. I want education. Yes, and I'm going to click on the edu.google.com URL, the first one on my screen, and it's going to open up the many things there. Right, so what we are looking for is under for educators, and you see there that there's an option for certification programs, product expertise, and professional expertise. Now, you don't want to jump one and leave the other. Product comes first, so what you're going to do is to click on product expertise if you haven't taken any of the Google certification courses. I mean, if you haven't taken the L1, that's level 1 exam, or the level 2 exam. So you go on and click product expertise, not professional, product first. And we go on and do that. See, this is it. It says Educator level 1 and Educator level 2. If you haven't done any of these exams before, you should start with level 1. You should start with what? Level 1. But if you have done level 1, you want to proceed to level 2. So I am saying you should start. Where do you get your training or your courses or your whatever it is you need to go through to prepare? How do you get there? It's easy. Click on the Get Started button under each level. You have one under level 1 and there's another under level 2. I click on Get Started. It would open up the level 1 course area or the level 1 area. And yeah, you see here register, you see here begin your blah blah blah. You don't need all that. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and see right here it says not sure if you're ready for the exam. Here's ways you can get prepared. Start training. That's all you need. You click on start training and it redirects you to the entire fundamental training for level 1. Isn't that cool? Very cool. This particular level has about 13 units. You can go through them within 2 or 3 hours, right? If you do have the time at the stretch. And when you're done with it, you can proceed to now take the exam. No rush. Take your time. Know what you're doing. Go through the training accordingly. Then you take the exam. For level 2, you go through the same process. You click on Get Started. It would redirect you to the training center. You take the units and you can then take the exam. Right. Now there is more to the certification. Beyond level 1 and level 2, you also have the professional expertise. What does that mean? It means that you can take this thing, this Google certification thing, and be a professional at it. Not just the certification now, but a professional that actually trains other people. With a professional expertise, you can be a certified trainer or a certified coach or even a certified innovator. Now, this is way beyond being a Google certified educator. It is more. It's like you're taking this as a career or you're making this part of your career. Okay, the possibilities you have in becoming Google certified is limitless. Again, it is limitless and you should take it seriously. To become a Google certified coach, trainer, or innovator, you need to have passed level 1 and level 2. Then you can proceed to apply for any of the 3. The cool thing about this whole process is you can do it within a short period of time. The product expertise is always open. You can enroll for it at any point in time. And for the innovator, trainer, and coach, you need to know when the applications are open. Then you can apply then. Well, that's all you need to know about the Google for Education certifications. Remember, you can access it by Googling Google for Education and choose the certification or the training that fits your knowledge gap. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I'm sure I've answered your multiple questions. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that now and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos drop. And also, if you find this content useful or if I have answered any of your questions, make sure to click on the like button and engage this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.